Here's the quiz in case you missed it or you just like to look over it again. Go ahead and feel free to pause it wherever you need to, and we'll move on pretty quickly. Okay. If you didn't get those, there we are. Go ahead and pause it if you need to. Moving on. Here are the important things to remember as far as graphing these objects or any objects on our graphs. Okay. Make sure you put the title, and as you can see right here, we got position versus time on the right here. Position versus time. So go ahead and make sure that's your title, and you can just simply initiate. That's fine. That'll do. Okay. And this alone right here is worth 10 points. Easy 10 points there. Easy 10 points on the label. We got position here. And the units. The position is worth 5. The units is worth 5. Both combined. There's another 10 points. And same thing with the x-axis. The x-axis, as long as time is involved, will always be time on the x-axis. And here's an additional 10 points that you can easily pick up. 10 points. Alright, so what's next? Let's do the scale. Let's look at the maximum numbers that we need to fit on this grid. And we got 15 and 5. Those are the maximum numbers. And position, 15. There's 15 spaces in the y-axis. Okay, so 15 divided by 15, each space will be equal to 1. And I won't mark each space, but every 5 spaces I'll count out as such. That's not 5 spaces. Can't talk about the same thing. There you go. There's 10 and there's 15. Okay, how about time? We have 15 spaces on time, but we need a total of 5. We need to make sure we get 5 and make sure it's spread out as much as possible. So let's see what we got here. Just demonstrate this on the calculator. Capture that, and let's do this. So we have how many spaces? 15, and you'll divide it by what you need. You need 5 to make sure 5 maximum value fits in there, and that gives you 3. And all this means is that every 3 spaces, put a 1. 1, 2, 3. This is 1. 1, 2, 3. Here's 2. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now we've maxed out our space and we can make the graph look as large as possible because we want the data to be clear. Bigger the better. And I'm going to go ahead and use violet, purple, whatever this thing is, for object 1 and blue for object 2. We use blue for objects. Object 1, I'm going to plot the points. 0, 0. Start with the x first. The x next. The next x is 1 right there. And then we're going to go up 3. Next is 2, 6. 1, 2. We're going to go up 6. Again, to the right 3. And up 9. 4, 12. Exactly right there. 5, 15. And we got a line. Let's do our line. Use a straight edge, please, on the quiz. I don't want to see crooked lines. Please use a straight edge. Hey, what's that? And don't forget the little arrow, because the arrow represents the data going on and continuing so that we can extrapolate outside the data. And let's graph the next. Object 2, 0, 0. 1, up 2. Over 2, up 4. Over 3, up 6. Over 4, up 8. And over 5, up 10. Go. Let's extrapolate that. So, Okay, let's make sure we have everything here. The lines are worth 10 points each. And the equations, make sure you have the equations on there. They're also worth 10 points each. And we're going to go ahead and do that in just a moment on the next page. It's missing here. I just noticed this. See that right? Guess that got it right. Let's go ahead and move on to how can you tell by looking at the graph which one's faster. And if you look at the graph, the one with the steeper slope, okay, which is purple. This one has a steeper slope than blue. Okay, so that's simple. Just write that down. How can you tell by looking at the graph which one is moving faster? And it's the graph with steeper slope. You got to use better penmanship than I did on your quiz. Okay, and then object 1, let's go ahead and calculate the slopes. Which 2 points am I going to use? As long as 0, 0 is one of the points, I'm going to go ahead and cheat and use 0, 0. Okay, and 15 and 5. 15 and 5, 0, 0. So I'm going to use 0, dash 0. Let me coordinate the colors here. 0, 0. Whoops. 5 and 15. Okay, so M1 for object 1, Y2 minus Y1. And here we go. Excuse me. There we go. And you know what? I'm also forgetting the units. The units for the rise are meters. The units for the run are seconds. Very important here. And we got, what is it, 3 meters per second. What are we going to use for the blue? For the blue, we'll use 10 and 5. Well, sorry, 5 and 10, 0 and 0. 5 and 10, 0 and 0. And you can already tell what the slope is, but for this exam, I want you to show your work. And Y2. On the exam, you do not have to show me the x. You don't have to show me this equation here that I'm writing down. You just go straight into the numbers. Excuse me, Mr. Rita. Come on now. Come back together. All right. Those are our slopes. Let's go back to the equation, to the lines themselves, and fill in the equation. Y equals 2x. Y equals 3x. Okay. For a combined 10 points, and make sure you include those 10 points. 5 points each. 5 points for the lines. 5 points for the equations. Also, to calculate the slope, you need to show this. Okay, 5. Make sure you show that. I don't know what that means. 5 points. Okay, same thing here. 5 points. Same thing here. 5 points. 5 and 5. Okay, to answer the final question over here, number 8, how can you tell by looking at the results of number 7, which is, where is number 7 actually? What is it? Probably number 6. Oh yeah, sorry. By looking at these results right here, how can you tell by looking at these results which object is moving faster? And it's straightforward. Whichever one is larger. The slope with larger number or magnitude, either way it's fine. Magnitude is the number. Magnitude. Okay. And that is this one right here. Okay, I'm just going to speed through this. You have to write out what's actually going on here. And as long as you include where you start from, where you end up for each interval, and how long each interval took, you'll be fine. Such as what I wrote here. Standing still for 1 second for the first interval right here. You're standing still for 1 second. Then you come back to the source in 1 second. Standing still at 2 meters, excuse me. Standing still at 2 meters for 1 second. And then 1 second later returning to the source. You can word it how you want as long as it's correct. And then standing still at the source for 1 second. So, as long as you mention where you start, where you went to, and how long it took for each one of those, you can put it in your own words. And I'm just going to flip through these to show you an example of what you can put, but it's not the only correct way to state these. Pause where you need to. Okay. And that covers it. All right? That covers it.